Hello geeks. Today I am going to discuss about the Java connectivity with MySQL database, and I will also show you the practical connectivity, how we will connect our Java NetBeans to our XAMPP server MySQL database. Okay, so we are going to use this XAMPP server and this NetBeans IDE. So before starting the practical session, we must know about the steps of connecting Java to the database. So this connectivity is known as JDBC, Java Database Connectivity. Okay, so let me show you the basic steps. What are the basic steps of connecting our Java application to the database? So let me go to the notepad. So this there are 7 steps we should know before starting the practical session of for connecting our Java application to the database. Okay, so the first steps, let me write here, steps for connecting our our Java application to the mysql database. So just focus on this mysql database. What are the steps? The first steps is you have to import the packages. Okay, you have to import the packages. This is the first step we are going to do in our Java program, because without this step nothing will be done and nothing will be progress. Okay, because if we don't import any packages, it will not work. The command will not work, and the packages, all the packages will be of java.sql packages. Okay, not from java.util, it will be from java.sql. We will import our packages from java.sql. I hope you understand. And the second step will be load and register the driver. So what is this driver? Actually, the driver is, I will show you how to download the driver. We have to install a driver from Google, and then only you can work with the JDBC. Okay, especially in the case of MySQL, load and register the driver. I will show you how we will load and how we will register the driver. Okay, third step. What is the third step? The third step is the establish the connection. You have to establish the connection with the database connection. Okay, this is the third step. I will show you step by step how we will do all this stuff. Number 4, the fourth step is create a statement. You have to create a statement. Many of you are familiar with the SQL commands, right? Just we have to use these commands here, but there is a different way to insert it. So we will see this in our practical session. Okay, fifth step you have to do is you have to execute the query. You have to execute the query. Okay, I'm sorry, you have to execute the query. And the sixth step you must do is the most important step. You have to process the result. Okay, you have to process the result after executing the query. You have to process the result. How we will execute the query and how we will process the result, we all I will show you this step by step in our when I will start the programming. And the seventh step you should do is you have to close the connection. Okay, so these are some basic steps you have to do. The first step is to import the packages, and those packages we will import from java.sql. Second step is the load and register the driver. This driver I will show you how from where you will download this driver. Third step is establish the connection. You have to establish the connection with your server. Like in my case I'm going to use the XAMPP server. Okay, the fourth step is create a statement. Fifth, you have to execute the query. The query means the command you will insert, and you have to process the result, and you have to close the connection. Okay, so these are the most important 7 steps you should know before starting the JDBC practical. So let me show you which driver I am talking about. Okay, so just go to the your favorite browser. Just open your favorite browser, and we are going to use this NetBeans IDE also. Okay, and I will also show you how to work with Microsoft SQL Server after completing this session. This is session 1. Okay, so my judge is opening. Let it open. Just type here mysql JDBC driver. Okay, just press the enter. Here you will see mysql download connector, jconnector. You have to click here. Just select your operating system from here. Okay, select your operating system from here. After then just go to the download page. If you're using Windows 32-bit, I will recommend you to download this MSI installer. Okay, this MSI installer you have to download. The second one, don't go for the first one. Okay, this is MySQL installer web community. Just go for the second one, MySQL installer community 8.0 to 2.0 MSI. Okay, just download the second one, and you will see that a zip file will be downloaded in your system. Okay, after the zip file will be downloaded, just extract it. After extracting, you will get this file mysql connector java 5.1. Okay, you will get this folder. Just open this folder. And these are the two jar files. Okay, uh, with the help of which you can load and register the driver. Okay, because without these two you cannot do load and register the drivers. You have to import this you have to import these two jar files in your Java NetBeans or any ID you are using for JDBC. Okay, so these are the two jar files. You will get this one. Once again, I'm showing you. You will get this file, mysql connector Java, after extracting the downloaded file, that zip file, and just go here and you will see the mysql connector Java 5.1.49 in my case. You can use the latest version if it's available. Okay, so after downloading this, just go to the IDE you will use. So in my case, I'm using NetBeans IDE. So after opening this NetBeans IDE, just go to the project. These are my 4 projects. Here you will see new project, create a new project, Java application, click next, uncheck this create main class, give your project name. In my case, I'm giving my project name as uh, mysql server. Sorry, you have to give mysql server connection. Okay, so in my case I will not camel case, like my SQL server connection. I'm giving this project name. You can give any project name. Okay, click finished. Here you will see that your new project has been created. Okay, now just click expand it. In this library portion, now I've just told you that you have to load and register your drivers, and that driver is only possible to load and register if you have installed those two jar files, mysql database jar files. Okay, so those two jar files plays an important role in connecting with our databases. Okay, if you are using mysql, you have to use mysql j connector. If you are using ms server, you have to use another connector for that server. Okay, I will show you. I will also create a I will also make a new video for connectivity with Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio after this session. So go, just right click in this libraries. You will see here a properties. Right click in the properties, just click in the properties. In the class path, this class path, click here and add jar folder. Just go to your path where you have installed your jar folder. I have installed in my C drive. It is in this program files, program data. This is my mysql connector Java. I will open this. Sorry. Oh, just open this. Oh, what happened? Just remove it. Add jar folder. Just click here. These two jar files. Shift down to select. Okay, and just click on the open and just click on the OK. Now expand this library. You will see that your two jar files are connected. Okay, your two jar files are connected, and this doesn't mean that you are connected with the MySQL database till now. Okay, you haven't connected, just you have imported the jar files. Okay, now go to the source packages, create a package. Create a package. Suppose I'm creating the packages SQL connect. This is the package I am connecting. Okay, so SQL connect. Click on the finish. Just click on the SQL connect and go to the new and create a Java class and give the class as my SQL server connect. Okay, this is the name of my class, my SQL server connect. Okay, and just click finish. Okay, now it's opened. So just remove these comment portion from here. Remove this comment portion from here. It will take a lot of space actually. Okay, now I will show you step by step. I've shown you about this import the packages and then load and register the driver, establish the connection, create a statement, execute the query, process the result and close the connection. Okay, so the first step we are going to do is import the packages. Okay, before this, it is very important to download those two jar files which I have shown you. Okay, without those two jar files you can't do all these operations. Okay, it is impossible to do this all operations without those two jar files. So the first one is import the packages. So there are two ways of importing the packages. The one way is just and be sure that you are creating importer packages um, out in not inside the class. You will import here. Okay, outside the class. So we will import the packages not from import java.util. Okay, we will not import from util because we are working with database SQL, so we will import the packages from java.sql. So there are two ways you can use this java.sql.asterisk, which will import all the packages of SQL java.sql, but we don't need all the packages in okay, we don't need all the packages and we don't want to give this much effort to our application or something which we will make. Okay, so the name of the packages I will show you which packages are most important just for a basic application making. So import java.sql. The first package you need is from java.sql is driver manager, driver. Okay, this is the first important package you have to import from java.sql. The second one is import java.sql.connection. Connection is the package. This is the package of java.sql. This is the second connection, second package. Third package which we want is import java.sql.prepared statement. These three packages we need right now to do our operations. Okay, so we have imported the package from java.sql. this driver comes first, then connection, okay, then statement. So logic wise I have given it. First you have to import the driver manager, this package, and then a connection, this package, and the third one prepared statement, this package you have to import it from the java.sql, okay, from this java.sql, not from java.util. You have to import this from sql, java.sql. So after importing, we have imported, okay, we have imported this. So let me we have imported this. Now so we'll delete this one we have imported. Second one is load and register the driver. So how you will load and how you will register the driver, okay. So just come here. So after opening your XAMPP server, just click on the start. Apache mysql, this two will appear green. Just click on the start, this two mysql. I will recommend you to use this XAMPP server. It's quite comfortable to use. This is our port number 3306. Here we can also write 3306 in place of employee, okay. You can also write 3306 your port number, okay. Now let me see, everything correct? Yes, everything correct. Now I have to create a database. So to create a database, go to your favorite browser. So after opening your favorite browser, just type here localhost, localhost, localhost.
Good morning, Satyam.
Oh, now it's wishing me good morning. What's the time now? The time is 1:11. Quite good. Just open your PHP myadmin, okay. Just you have to click you have to type localhost and just go in your PHP myadmin. It's taking a time, I don't know why. I hope you all have installed XAMPP server in your machine. Just prepare for all this, like just install XAMPP, all databases, and a good IDE in your machine, and nothing once you can create your programming skills more better. Now come to this, yeah, I have to create a new database, right? This new, click on the new, and my database name I have given, suppose it is employee. Yes, employee, I'm giving it employee. It is no employee, okay, it is no employee. Just create it. After creating a employee, you have to create a table inside the database. I hope you all are familiar with this all, that how database create a table using command also, okay. It's very useful when you will use this all for using command, okay. You have to be very familiar with this database commands, okay. So let's create a table here. So my table is employee table. This is my employee table I have created. and this 4 columns, it's okay, it's 4 columns are necessary for us. It's quite enough, enough for us. So table has been created. So first I will give id. Okay, id will be of int type, and the id will be auto incremented. 1 2 3 4 5 6, it will auto incremented. Then I will give here employee employee name employee name. Okay, employee name will be a worker. Just give here 255 length value, and I will give here employee age. It will be of int type. Okay, just give 11, give the value 11 length, and then give employee workplace. Suppose I will give here employee workplace, where he is working. Okay, so employee workplace will be a worker type, and give it enter value 255, and just click on the save button. As you have seen that our employee table has been created. Just click on this employee table, you will get the structure like this: id, employee name, employee age, employee workplace. It is empty. Okay, till now we have not inserted any data to our this table, to our this database. id is empty, employee name is empty, employee age is empty, and employee workplace is empty. So we will see how we will insert data in our database using Java. Okay, half of the steps we have completed. Like we have completed our importing the package, loading and registering, and we have also established the connection. Okay, so delete it. Now we will create a statement. Okay, so again this opened. Now we will establish the connection. So after creating this database, just go here, this employee database I have created. Okay, now I have to create a statement. So for creating a statement, we will use this class, or prepared statement package. Okay, this package we will use. So give here create an instance of this class prepared statement. Okay, you have to give the correct spelling, because if you will give the wrong spelling, it will show you the error like this. Okay, if you have to give the correct spelling. Prepared statement, suppose I'm giving that statement. This is a I've created an instance of this class. So create statement, and I've created an object of this class, this statement object. Okay, now just you have to create, right? So statement, how we will create this statement? We will create this statement with the help of this connection object. Okay, with the help of this connection object we will create the statement. So see how we will use this connection object. con dot, now prepare statement. We have to prepare the statement in order to create a statement. Okay, prepare means something to prepare, right? Something to create, prepare. So prepare statement, just remember this like this: prepare statement and create a statement. So click this prepare statement string this parameter string, click on this. Now here create a statement. I hope you all are familiar with the SQL commands, like insert into tables where id equals to this. This commands, I hope you all are familiar, because if you all are not familiar, then please go through the SQL tutorials. Okay, otherwise you cannot it will be very tough for you to work with JDBC. Okay, So con.prepare statement, same command which we use to insert in mysql. We are typing in mysql to insert any data in our table. The same command you have to give here. Okay, the same query you have to write here. Okay, same query, nothing changes. But here on this con.prepare statement, and give two double colon, uh, double inverted comma on between these two double inverted comma, you have to write those same queries. Okay, nothing changes in the queries are same. The ways are different to connect them. Okay, the ways are different. This all are the ways. The ways are different, but the queries will be same. So here we will create a statement. Okay, so what we will do, we will insert a data in our database. We will insert the data. We will insert the data in this table, like id, employee name. We'll insert a data. Okay, with the help of using Java NetBeans. So let's create a statement, insert into, I will give a table name, employee table. Okay, just check, confirm that your table name is right. Yes, it is employee table. Yes, it is employee table. Go here, employee table, insert into employee table. What are the parameters in the employee table? In my employee table there is employee, there is employee name, comma, employee age, comma, nothing changes in the query. Okay, queries are same. Employee workplace. Okay, and what will be the values? values values, as because there are three parameters, right? There are three columns, employee table, employee name, employee age, and employee workplace. So give here three parameters. Give her three parameters. Just values 1, 2, 2, 3. Yes, the two parameters we have, three parameters we have to give. Okay, parameters will depend on how many columns you have and in which column you will insert. Okay, so like in my case, employee name, employee age, and employee workplace. So I have given three parameters. One is for employee name, second is for employee age, and third for employee workspace. Okay, employee workspace. Oh, now just declare all this here. Give the value of each of the parameters. Okay, value of each of the parameters. What will be the employee name, what will be the employee age? So employee name is a varchar. That means we have to take string data type. Employee age is of int, so we have to take int. Employee workspace age of workplace is of varchar, so we have to take again string data type. So see how we will do. For first one, string employee name, I will give here, I will give the variable as imp name. String imp name equals to, suppose the employee name is Jerry. Okay, employee name is Jerry. Now age means int. Okay, int imp employee age. Suppose the age of Jerry is 20. Now again take a string variable for workplace, imp workplace equals to, suppose he is working in Bangalore. Okay, he's working in Bangalore. So we have given the three values, right? Just one for employee name, this parameter, second for employee age, this parameter, and third for the employee workplace, this parameter. Okay. Now insert this into your table. So how we will this, we have only created a statement. Okay, this is just a statement. Now we have to give a value of each of the parameters. So for giving the value, we will call it from this statement, right? So statement dot set string, as because first one is string, this parameter is of string type, right? This is of string type because this is the employee name. So set string, first parameter, in the first parameter emp name. Okay, this first value will be go in this first parameter. So one, employee name. Second is statement dot, the second one is of int type, so set int 2 comma. Now for this second parameter, which is second one is employee age, it is of int type, so we have to give it set int, and this imp age will be placed to this parameter. The value of this is imp age, so we have to give here imp age, and the third one is of again string type, so give here set string, and then third one, and the third parameter, this value will go. Okay, this imp workplace, so give here imp workplace. This parameter will take this workplace. Is error, this spelling mistake. Okay, so we have created a statement. We have, again I am showing you how we have created a statement. This, we have created a statement by using this prepare statement, this package. We always create a statement using this package prepare statement. Okay, and we will call it from this con is the object of this connection. Okay, connection class, this is the object of this connection class. So con dot prepare statement, insert query, right? Insert a statement, creating a statement. Creating means what? Preparing, right? Preparing, so we have to give it this prepare statement, and in the query will be same. The query will not change, it will be same. Insert into employee table. I hope you all are familiar with this all SQL commands. Okay, this parameters, three parameters, because I have to give the value only in three columns. The columns are employee name, employee age, and employee workplace. Employee ID is auto incremented, it will increment automatically. So after giving these three values in these three parameters, okay, you have seen that how I have given the values by declaring variable, and you have to remember which parameters which of which data type, right? So for example, this was of worker, so I have taken string. This was of int, so I have taken int. Again, this was of worker, I have taken string. So this way you have to work. Now the, what is the step now? Execute the query. This, execute the query. Okay, now listen, here our row will update, right? Because come here, I will show you. Everything is empty here. There is no ID, no employee name, no employee age, no employee workspace, right? So if we insert any data in it, that means our table has been updated, right? It has been updated. Update means we have something update. What is updated? Updated means something to add or something to remove, right? That is updated. So this will be updated, our table will be updated. Okay, so how we have to do, see, so how we will execute our query? Just give a statement dot, and you will see here execute exe. We have to select this execute update because it is updating. Okay, we will discuss about execute query in our next session, in which I'm going to show you how to delete, how to search, and how to update our data from a database into the database. For now, as because we are inserting, okay, inserting means what? We are updating our table, right? We are updating our table, so we will use this execute update. Just click on it, execute update. Okay, execute update and leave a short message like system.out.println uh, data inserted successfully. So data will insert successfully. So quite revision, we have first imported our imported packages from Java SQL. Okay, we have imported our packages from Java SQL. Now registering a driver. So let me give this registering driver. mm, right here, registering driver. So I have shown you that how we have loaded this driver. This we have loaded. We have to download these two connectors. That means we have loaded the driver, and by giving this statement, this line, you are registering the driver. Okay, you have registering the driver. That means you have registered the driver to connect from your database, your server. Okay, connection. This line is for establish the connection. So in this line we are establishing the connection with the help of this connection class, right? This package. With the help of this package we are establishing the connection. Okay, now here what we are doing is we are creating the statement. Here we are creating the statement. Okay, this we are creating a statement. So what we have create, insert into employee table, and our column names, values, these three parameters, and the values of these three parameters we have declared in here. Okay, and how to um, how to give a values of the parameters. See, these are the ways of giving the value into these parameters. These are the ways. Okay, you have to know the types. These are the ways. You have to work with this same prepare statement object. Okay, to insert the value, to set the values in this parameter, to set the values in this parameter. And the last one what we have done is we have executed our query. Okay, this line is for executing the query. Okay, so let me give you a short message that we have connected to server system dot out dot println. It will just give us a short message that we have connected to the server. Okay, println just if connected to the server. And the last one I've told you, we have executed our query. Okay, it will process the result automatically after updating the query. And the seventh one is close the connection. Just after executed, after updating my table, after inserting the data, just right here connect. This established what this one not connect, it is con. This connection from where we have established the connection, just close this connection. This connection you have to close. Okay, this connection you have to close this connection. So for this you have to use this object con. Just write here con dot see close, automatically came close. Just press enter and just print one more message that we have disconnected from the server. Okay, you have disconnected from the server. That's it. Okay, that's it, you have done. Just go through the code once. We have imported packages from the java.sql. Okay, now we have registered our driver. We have given the value of the parameters. Then we have established the connection. We have created the statement. We have executed our query. Okay, inserted, right here spelling is wrong, inserted. This is for connection close, right? So connection close and a small message. This we have disconnected from the server, and this is how we have loaded our driver. Okay, this is we have loaded our mysql jdbc driver. These two jar files downloaded from Google, and the exactly the same way I have shown you. Now what we have to do, we have to just click in this project, go in your this mysql server connect.java. You have created your class file, go to the run file, click on the run file, just wait for the output. So it's showing that build successful, something went wrong. So what went wrong? Mm, so let us run this program. It is not showing anything again. Let me see what is the problem here. Here is the problem. Actually, this here it will be again one backslash. Okay, this one localhost jdbc employee. It will be backslash and insert into employee table. Here we this in catch section we have to print the exception. Just put there print int println e exception. This exception we have to print. Okay, now let us run this. Let us run this program. So here we have get the expected output. First it had connected to the server, then it inserted the data successfully and disconnected from the server. So for the confirmation we have to go and let's go to the database here, localhost, and click on the employee table. You will see that's employee name. Okay, Jerry, employee age is 20 and employee workplace is Bangalore. Okay, the same value which we have given here, the same value. Employee name is Jerry, employee age is 20 and the workplace is Bangalore. Okay, so if you will change here like this, if John If the employee name is John, his age is 25 and he works in Mumbai. Okay, just change the name and it will uh, place the parameters value and it will again execute update. Okay, just change the name and run again. uh, Again connected to the server, data inserted and disconnected, right? So go to your php myadmin and see if it is inserted or not. See, it is auto incrementing id and see the employee name John, the same value we have given. Okay, this employee workspace Mumbai. Okay, see here, we have given John is working in Mumbai. This is Mumbai. Okay, let's change the value. Suppose now I'm giving here is Harry. Harry's age is 29 and Harry is living in Kashmir. He's in Kashmir. To just run this program, this will be our output. Okay, it will connect the server, it will insert the data and it will again disconnect from the server and just go to the employee table and you will see one more data has been inserted. So this was a simple program to insert data in the database. Okay, using mysql, and I have shown you how to download the those two jar files. Okay, those two work for the loading the register. This we have imported, right? Just register the driver and then establish the connection, create the statement, this create the statement. Okay, prepare statement, execute query and close the connection. So all step has been shown step by step. So this is a simple program. In the next session I will show you how to search the details. These details I will search in my output, these details, how to search, how to delete. Suppose I want to delete any one of them. Okay, or suppose I want to update age. Jerry is now 24. Okay, so how we will update, search and delete, this all we will see in our next session. Okay, thank you and keep learning, geeks. We'll meet again in the next session. Good night.